From the mid-60s until today, we have almost all sets down here. They're very beautiful to look at. So this is a really old DUPLO set. The first figure is introduced in '74. It's called the LEGO building figure. That is us working our way towards the minifigure. Actually, before the minifigure, we get a DUPLO figure. In '77, we introduced the first DUPLO figures. For example, this beautiful fella right here. This is the figure I can remember from my childhood.
I have noticed a few sets are marked Legoland. Why is that?
Yeah, so we have one right here. Back then, the set had this Legoland branding, and that was inspired by the original Legoland park, because that is what you can do with your beautiful bricks and minifigures. You can create your own Legoland. Yeah, exactly. The first 3 product lines that we introduce is Space, City, and then it's Castle. Those ones you wanted for Christmas, you know?
Yeah, I remember seeing this set. One of my followers said that they still have this set and they play it home and they get it for their parents or grandparents. It just kind of confirms that Lego is something that you pass on to next generation.
Yes. Half the Lego bricks my children have today, they're the ones I played with as a child. And then they get new ones and it fits perfectly together. That is the strength of the Lego system. I love these older DUPLO trains. You'll be able to run a new DUPLO train on those rails as well from back then. Look at this. So that's one of the airports we've made, a LEGO City set from the mid-90s.
Yeah, it feels like a set that I would love to give to my kids.
I want to show you a set here from 2012. This is one of the first sets from LEGO Friends, which has been a very huge hit ever since.
Yeah, my son, my older one, he actually just got introduced to LEGO Friends and he just loved it.
I've been doing this for 8 years.
So, is it safe to say that you know everything about LEGO?
No. There are so many things I don't know yet. I learn something new every single day. I have made my childhood self really proud.